What's better than one station for loading your t-shirts and other garments? How about two? This is the HPN Signature Series 16 by 20 inch double station auto open heat press. This brand new machine from Heat Press Nation is similar to the standard Signature Series auto open, but with one key addition: a double station base. This unique sliding base has two 16 by 20 inch lower platens on it. This enables you to prepare your garments and transfers on one station while the other is in use. When the first item is done pressing, you could switch between stations with ease, thanks to the smooth sliding rail system the base is built on. In addition to having a double station, this press also features an automatic opening system. With auto open, your press is held shut with a special electromagnet. When the timer reaches 0, the electromagnet automatically releases the hold and allows the premium gas shocks to open the heat press. Time and temperature settings can be precisely dialed in and monitored in real time thanks to the digital controller. At the heart of this powerful machine is the 16 by 20 inch cast aluminum heating element that delivers even and consistent heat and pressure throughout the entire pressing area. This is all built on a strong industrial frame that's actually overbuilt to support your pressing operation for years and years. This Signature Series heat press will help you take huge strides in improving your efficiency with its double station and auto open features. These premium features are brought together in a machine that performs way above its price tag. And because it's a Heat Press Nation Signature Series product, you can count on our industry-leading support. We're proud to back up all of our products with 1 year of MyExpert protection and free lifetime technical support. If you'd like more information on the HPN Signature Series 16 by 20 inch double station auto open heat press, or if you're interested in ordering your very own, head on over to heatpressnation.com. You can also speak with a friendly and knowledgeable member of our MyExpert team at 800-215-0894.